Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. By following these 5 steps, you can become a good YouTuber. You can grow your YouTube channel. Start the video. Step number 1 is you have to work continuously. YouTube also has to work considering it as a job and not as a waste. Step number 2 is one niche you have to work on, only one goal. Do not change your goal. Don't do this on the first day, then uploaded the vlog, and on the second day how to make tasty food, and next week reaction videos by uploading it. Don't have to do it at all. You have to work continuously on the same goal. Step number 3 is video impression. You should keep the impression of your video good first 10 to 15 seconds. Keep the audience on your video. Do not give your intro at the beginning of the video. Point to point sit. Don't waste audience's time. Step number 4 is never give up. No one's video becomes viral in starting. Everyone has to work, so don't give up by making 3 or 4 videos. Work continuously. Step number 5 is make your video better. Increase video quality, make your content better. And search the trending topic to make me point videos viral. As people are searching more and more, make videos on that topic. 100% of the time the video goes viral. Thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck for your YouTube journey.